Lockdown continues here at the Love Spoon workshop. You may notice I've cut my own hair.
Fantastic!
The bad news is our competition, our lockdown Love Spoon competition, has come to an end. Ooh. The good news is that it has been an absolutely incredible success. Yay! It went global. It managed to bring together Love Spoon carvers and different people who have an interest in the Love Spoon from all around the world. We've actually chosen 5 winners from 3 different continents. We're really delighted with how all of you have embraced this idea and have entered designs, your own Love Spoons from all around the world. We picked out different spoons for different reasons. So one of our first winners, that was Don. He won our North American section. Congratulations again, Don. There is a video dedicated to that entry. We chose that one there because Don put that entry in for an ICU nurse. So we thought that that was appropriate given the circumstances. Our second category again, we've also done a dedicated video for this entry. That went down to Cornwall, to a farmer in Cornwall. So that was our UK winner, and again we liked that one because it was recognising the contribution made by the farming community and everybody who's continued working throughout this lockdown. Our continental Europe winner, that one is going to be heading out to Madrid. That was actually won by Carla. Well done, Carla. She sent in a number of Love Spoon designs. So we're going to send you out a little Love Spoon with your name on as well, personalised, recognising the lovely designs that you sent us. The winner of our African section, that was Bernard. Congratulations, Bernard. This is the Love Spoon that we have made based around the design that you sent us. A beautiful design. And we've made that one in a piece of recycled mahogany. And our final winner was from here in Wales. And it was from 2 young men aged 6 and 9. What we actually did, they're 2 brothers. We combined their design ideas together to give us a bit of a unique Love Spoon. And the reason that we chose this design is because we've all been in lockdown, and the central feature of this design is a padlock. So we felt that there was a little bit of a message behind this Love Spoon. A big special thank you as well to all of the Love Spoon carvers that are enjoying the tradition around the world. We really appreciate that you've shared your stories, shared your work. It's been absolutely fantastic to see what is actually being done. And we've been amazed to see that Love Spoons are being carved in places as far away as Africa, countries like Zimbabwe, in places like the USA, all over Wales, all over the UK. It's been fantastic for you to share your ideas and your entries in our Love Spoon competition and with our workshop here in West Wales. We're going to share a little montage of all of our favourite design entries and also show some of the winning entries, show how we actually made them for you. There you go. That brings our lockdown love spoon competition to a conclusion. Those are 2 of our 5 winning entries. Thank you all again for sharing your beautiful work, your beautiful designs, and your fantastic ideas with us. Don't forget to
Subscribe.
and we'll be back again soon with more videos.